Good morning, traders. I hope you're all doing well. So, finally, I'm at my destination and I will be uploading regular videos from today. But you will see an upload on different timings due to time zones I'm in. So, you will still get daily updates. You'll still get everything as usual. Forex support for VIP members, everything is going to be same, but you will receive that reports and analysis on different times. Let's start our analysis with natural gas and gold today. So, starting with natural gas here, as you can see, the natural gas has broken below our level of resistance and now is in between our zones. So in between our zones, I look for pullback trades. So in this case, I'm doing this data on capital.com today because on Oanda, I don't see this sort of entry pattern. In here, you see the market has broke below our resistance and broke below 50 EMA. And with that, we have a pullback of these two candles followed by our engulfer candle. Looking at that, I'm seeing a bearish pressure. So if you place a short position here and with the ATR, it's 12. So my trade will look like this right here. So I expect to see a gas to hit 4.387 and stop loss you got right here 4.700. I will look for buying trades once we hit the zone. From here, I will look for engulfer or a double bottom trade. If you have been following me from last couple of weeks, you know how I take my trades. So in here, I will look for pin bars, double bottoms or engulfer entries. If our target is hit, then I will look for another pullback and I will look for another selling opportunities to take short trades until we reach our level of support. Let me amend my targets. So my target will look like this 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio for now. So let's check gold. All right, so gold is now broken below our level of resistance and paused at 50 EMA. It's still not broken below 50 EMA. So I won't be looking for any sell trades. I will still look for long trades, or we can expect a pullback between this zone. We might get a head and shoulder pattern from here. So I'm expecting gold to hit this zone, and from here I will look for sell trades again. If we have a break above this zone, then we can expect further pull-ups. So right now, not looking for any sort of sell trades, not selling until the market breaks below 50 EMA, at least 1965. If we break below 1965, I will look for a retest and I will look for short opportunities. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Take care.